Look at the heavyweights of the artificial intelligence industry today, like OpenAI. They've built incredibly capable models, but they operate behind thick, carefully managed walls. Competitors like Google have engineered their systems with strict knowledge cutoffs and heavy safety filters. Ask them about a sensitive breaking event, and you'll often hit a wall of pre-programmed caution or outdated answers. This intense focus on guarding the output leaves a clear void. There is an entire layer of live, raw human conversation happening every second that these major models simply refuse to touch. By prioritizing absolute safety and predictability, the tech giants accidentally created a widespread, unfulfilled demand for an AI that prioritizes real-time, unfiltered information. Elon Musk launched xAI to build exactly the opposite of those sanitized platforms. The result is Grok. This comparison shows how Grok 4.3 handles information at a scale most models can't match. It features a 1 million token context window, allowing it to ingest and analyze the equivalent of dozens of thick books in a single prompt. But its most critical advantage is where it gets its data. Grok has a direct, continuous pipeline straight into the X platform. It doesn't have to scrape secondary news sites or wait for a search engine to index a story. It reads the public posts, debates, and breaking updates exactly as people type them. This architecture makes Grok 4.3 a live sensor. It reads the global town square in real time to gauge immediate public sentiment. Because it sits directly on top of X's data stream, Grok processes breaking news and market movements the second they happen, giving power users a distinct speed advantage. xAI also released a specialized offshoot called Grok Build 0.1. This model is engineered explicitly for developers, meant to integrate directly into workflows to write, explain, and debug code. This chart breaks down the official API pricing for developers. At $1.25 per million input tokens and $2.50 for output, xAI is aggressively undercutting the industry average. Combining that low cost with the expanded 1 million token memory means you can feed it large PDF reports or complex datasets and analyze them without burning through your budget. From a purely technical and economic standpoint, developers and analysts have a highly capable, high-capacity tool at their disposal. The model is expanding past text and code. xAI has updated the architecture to be multimodal, granting the system the ability to see, hear, and generate media. This includes Grok Imagine, a built-in feature designed to generate highly detailed images and short videos directly from user prompts. This leap into visual media is exactly where the unfiltered philosophy collides with real-world consequences. Grok Imagine was released without the strict safety guardrails that other companies use to block sensitive requests. The immediate result was a flood of deepfakes, non-consensual imagery, and highly inappropriate content spreading rapidly across the internet. Because of this output, xAI is currently facing severe regulatory scrutiny and widespread privacy backlash from lawmakers and the public. This creates a difficult paradox for the platform. The exact lack of restriction that makes Grok uniquely powerful is simultaneously its most radioactive liability. Grok 4.3 operates like a high-performance engine with the brakes removed. To keep it on the track, the user has to supply the precision. If you type a vague request, like, "Tell me about marketing," you trigger the bad prompt trap. The system will spit out chaotic, generic, and largely useless results. This shows the good prompt formula. Demand highly specific parameters, an 18 to 30 demographic, a 300 dinar budget, and a Jordan region. For live data analysis, apply the same precision. Explicitly command the AI to extract numbers and cite sources. Because the system won't censor itself, you have to act as the guardrail, strictly defining the boundaries of every single interaction. Even with perfect prompts, there are absolute no-go zones. You should never rely on Grok for sensitive medical advice, legal decisions, or strict financial planning. Its primary utility remains clear. It is an exceptional tool for real-time brainstorming, rapid content ideation, and live coding assistance. Leverage its unique access to live data to spot trends early, but never let it be your final arbiter of truth without external verification.